All right, welcome back to the season 3 on this RV. Season 3 on this RV. Actually, that rhymes, huh? Season 3 on this RV. Okay, back to work. Actually, I was supposed to say welcome back to episode 3 on this RV. Episode, not season. Yeah. Okay, now back to work. Usually I'm not here when they're doing the body work, but this thing, it got so much nicer right now. They're adding more fiberglass to cover all those bumps, and then sanding down a lot more, makes this thing a lot thicker. Look at that. We got this RV from Arizona, and as you all know, it's really hot over there, so this thing is faded from the sun. The stickers has a lot of cracks. We did buff a little bit over here to see how it's gonna look and to know what color this thing is, because we are gonna paint the whole front and we need to color match. All the stickers are cracked, which means I'll have to peel the whole thing, and then buff this thing and come back with the new stickers. So this is what I'm gonna do today, peeling the stickers. The stickers are gone, and this is no fun. It takes forever to get rid of them, but because they were here, you don't feel them. Looks like they're not there, but the color is still there. I guess it faded through the paint, which that's not a problem. After we're gonna buff everything, I'm gonna come back with the different stickers and glue, same thing, you know, kind of copy the same design. So that's not a big deal. We got rid of the glue, the stickers, so now it's all smooth. In 3 days, I'm going camping for 4 days. This thing looks like that. Obviously, it's not gonna be complete, but at least we gotta install the lights, install the hood, mirror, both of the wipers. We're gonna go with 1 layer of primer just to protect the bundle not to get wet. And then after the camp, we'll come back, take everything off, and finishing this thing. Okay, the thing is all done. We're gonna back this thing out of here, stop at the gas station, get some propane, water, wash it, get ready for tomorrow. So no check engine lights, everything works really good. Driving like 75 miles an hour. The RV is full because we're going camping. We got like 2 more hours to go. Yeah, this thing's smooth.
But why is the mouth open?
Because it's hungry.
G4.
Look at that.
Почеш руки. Це холодний, дивіться.
The camp was actually nice. We're there for a couple days. I didn't want to film too much, but now we're back, so let's get to work. I'm on top of the RV, and I had some leaks when it rained, but it was a crazy rain. Now I'm looking at this. There is cracks. For sure, water will get in. Just cleaned up everything really good. I used alcohol, and now I have this beach tent. This thing, man, this thing's actually glues to anything. All right, so I had to do 2 lines because that was bigger than the budget I had, but I went with the overlap, and I did the rear first because the front of the RV is there, and then when it drives, it's nicer to overlap this one above that one. Now I'm gonna clean again the edges with the alcohol and put a small bit of caulking. That way the water where it doesn't go in, and little by little peels it. All right, all done. It's good to change the caulking once in a while. Like this corner over here, looks like it doesn't leak, but looks like the caulking it got dry. So I'm gonna clean up really good and put a fresh bit of caulking. That's from over here all the way to the end, both sides. If I get this done, that done, I promise I can run this thing through a lake and still stay dry. Finally done. I got both of the sides corners caulked, brand new caulking. So I took the RV to use it for one trip of camp, but I end up using for the whole season. We took this thing Oregon and Nevada, and yes, we're in California. Basically the whole season was with me, and I just bring it back to get finished, which pretty much is almost done. And if we don't finish in a week, I gotta take it for a camp, and after that camp, which means it's gonna be with me for another season. So right now we're really pushing to get this thing done in a week. Hard to believe, but the RV is finally inside the paint booth, and surprisingly it did fit over here. What we're gonna do right before we're gonna start spraying, I have to kind of take the screws off, put a molding, put different screws, and then a special cap on top because that's gonna get painted too. So after installing this rail with some screws, I have caulking behind. I'm gonna put this gasket. It kind of slides it from the bottom all the way up, and it looks like a finished molding. Something like that. Now with the end over there, we're gonna have to install a fender flare that's gonna cover and look really nice. So the RV got painted, but not the hood. The hood probably is gonna be done next week. But look at this color. This thing, it's so, I had no idea this thing is so nice compared to the one that's burned. They had to buff it a little bit to match the paint. So when I have time, I gotta buff the whole RV to look the same like this. For now, I'm just gonna have to install the mirrors, the headlights, and take it home because they don't have enough space over here. Originally the bumper had fog lights, but we covered them because we had to build that corner. And I bought something else that I'm gonna install. That's why we have that tape to get a perfect line. These are gonna be pretty good because they can make a hole, drop them inside, and put the screws from out. All right, so we got them on. The location, I would say it's good. I mean, I didn't want to put them too much to the side because the bumper kind of curves that way, so it's gonna shoot that way. But That'll do it. They're really strong. You can't really tell down the phone. It's still light outside, but look at that. Turn them off. So they're all nice and flat. Now we're gonna hide the wires and done. Stop playing. Another view at night. All the lights work. Those things are actually pretty bright. I'm happy I put them there. Why am I not surprised?
So now it's recording. So we're good. I'm not surprised either. I had one job.
Touching the screen right now is gonna stop.
No, I shouldn't, because I had one job and I failed. Run, touch the wall, and run back, and I will touch the wheel.
Okay.
I will only touch it if I have to.
Well, let me guess us in the end.
Okay.
But don't stay too close. Just stay normal. Sit down over there.
Yeah.
And then when you touch, don't rip it too
Yeah,
fast.
of course. Is it oncoming traffic? Alright. Make sure it's good?
Alright.
Alright, go.
I need something. Oh, the door.
Oh, that's what it is. My bag fell.
So we just got here. Now we're gonna try to get everybody to park in like a circle. When everything is covered, then we have our own. Why do you drink like that? I'm doing a speech right now.
Oh, sorry. Continue your speech, please.
Anyways, now I gotta start over. So this year we have our circle a lot smaller than usually. I guess the season is not really open. That's my brother-in-law, my brother, my brother's brother-in-law's brother. I don't know if that makes sense. And this is my other brother-in-law. If you guys didn't see the video of this build, check out the channel, it's there. It was a pretty sick build. I think it was like 2-3 years ago.
Drop one. There you go, bud.
Got it.
Stand back. Stand back. No! No! Yes, yes. Whoa!
All right, fine is over. We're back.